Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 30th. We are looking at market profile of the SPY IWMN Triple Q here on Window Trader, and the last day of the month seems like we're going to be providing some volatility as all three of the indices we follow are looking to gap lower. Remember, we hit an all-time high yesterday, only to one time frame down. The rest of the trading day, end period started, Amazon earnings came out, market pushed down pretty hard, and we've been doing nothing but going south since then. So we went, as you can see here, from a 4-day balance to up yesterday, back into balance right now. So right now we would be into a 5-day balance. This would be the 6th day. The key for the buyers is to hold the low from the 27th and the gap. Otherwise, you'd be coming out of balance to the downside. Remember, we came out of a 4-day balance to the upside yesterday, only to come back into it. Even though I gave the buyers the benefit of the doubt, calling it up, we are now going to be firmly back in balance. Triple Qs also, all of us gave up the ship yesterday as they traded down late in the day. Remember, Triple Qs had an 11-wide POC. Now they have a gap. The gaps on all of these are pretty decent size right now with 75 minutes to go. Qs are just under $3. IWM is a little over $1. SPY and ES right now are a little over $2. Volume pre-market, 450,000, so we're going to be doing decent volume come 9:30. So let's go over destinations and a game plan. And tonight we'll go over all three of these indices charts and break them down. So for the upside right now, remember we had one upside destination coming into today, which was the all-time high. And we also said, remember, the destinations in last night's video were far and wide apart, and these algos have to search them. Well, they're searching them. So first one, believe it or not, right now, remember, we had a 10-wide POC from July 28th. That is now an upside destination of 438.94. Then above that, we don't have anything to the gap fill, which is yesterday's low of 439.81, 440.74 overnight high, and then the all-time high of 441.80. And remember, it will be a monthly high after today. For the downside, right now, we'll use 437.71 because we still have 75 minutes to go. So we'll see if we're going to hold that daily low, 437.71. Give me 1 second. Why do I have 437.71? Then we have, which daily low is that? There it is right there. Although I think I wrote down the wrong price. Is it 437.71 or 437.33 it looks like. Okay. Then we have the daily low of 435.99, filling the gap at 435.43, and shove all the other ones I gave you down to 432.14. So what's the game plan for this morning? Well, again, people are going to be yelling gap rules apply. This is a fairly large gap. We still have a little bit of a distance down to the balance low, but that doesn't mean I want to jump on board as short right away. We've been trading against the 28's low now for a while. I think I might want a little more market-generated information. If it was to push up, you could take a put play against that POC from the 28th and then use the gap fill as your out. On the flip side, if we were to open closer to the bottom of the balance low, I would take a long the first time against that, maybe see what happens if the gap fills. If any acceptance into the 20 seconds range, I'd be out of that long. Otherwise, I would hold it to see if that's all they want to do. Again, another play for me with the options might be a straddle in any of these three because they all have expirations today. If they were to line up, a straddle might be the right play. And then on the chart, So again, we'll do all three of these indices tonight. The monthly's healthy unless we go down and take out 414.70 today. The monthly will be one time framing up. Right now the monthly low this month is 421.97. The weekly outside week up, this will be the third time it's failed pretty much. The first time failed miserably. Second time was basically break even. It looked like we might have a little break even point on this one, but with this today's action, it's going to be a failure. Now we are one time framing up for 2 weeks after the outside week up, but I am still calling this balance. And then on the daily, we're going from up, taking out yesterday's low to a 6-day balance. I don't know why I had 437.71 written down. It's 437.31. So that's going to be your first destination. 437.31 is that daily low. And then you don't have anything until the other daily low and then filling the gap. Good luck trading today. Be smart. There'll be many opportunities. Again, yesterday's volume was 47 million. I'm sure we'll do better than that on the downside. And we'll recap the day, the week, and the month at 4 p.m.